welcome back to my channel. If you are here for the first time, you are welcome. My name is Nokuthula Mabuza, and guys, if you've been here since day one, you're also welcome. To those who didn't subscribe, please guys subscribe. Please guys subscribe. So okay guys, welcome back to my channel. I just want to apologize. I'm not like consistent on uploading the videos because of time. Yo guys, I'm so busy having a lot of work from school, so I don't have enough time guys for like editing the video and uploading the new videos, but I will upload the videos when I got time. But please, for now guys, subscribe to my channel. Let's have not an excuse. Please subscribe to my channel. So yeah guys, I'm going to upload this video. I'm not sure today or tomorrow. Today is Saturday, so I just want to do an unboxing with you. These things guys, you know, and it's been so long, like postponing, you know what, I'm gonna do an unboxing with you, but keep on postponing because of time. So today I've got time because of there is a load shedding. I don't do anything. I didn't charge my laptop, so I can't work. Then I have to wait for the electricity to come back. Then I have a few items guys that I just want to unbox with you. The first item is this one, then the second one is this one, then the other item is this one, then the other item is this one, then the other item is this one. So this one is the last one. Yeah, those are the items guys that I just want to do an unboxing with you. Then after that, you're gonna watch the video where I was at Emanzana Plus, but I was at Ndalo Hotel. I know I've been there before, so that's why guys it won't be long because I was there before. So yeah, I hope guys you're gonna enjoy the video. So let's start to do the unboxing. We're gonna start with this dish. I bought this dish from Mr. Price. As you see the packaging guys, this is the packaging from Mr. Price. Then inside we have this dish. I love this dish guys very much. I love it very much. So the price was $1.99. So I just want to decorate my kitchen corner using this dish. I'm gonna show you once guys I've done that. For now I'm still waiting for some of the pieces that I'm gonna add when I'm decorating my corner. But yeah, this is part of it. If I didn't maybe add the decoration in my YouTube channel, you can also follow me on my Instagram page at home with Nokuthula Mabuza. You're gonna find the decoration. So yeah, I love this dish guys, it's so beautiful. You can even add some fruits. You can also use this dish in the center of the table. Yeah, it's so nice. Very nice and unique guys. Yeah, this is the first item that I wanted to show you guys. You can get it at Mr. Price. If maybe you need a smaller one, you can also find it at Mr. Price. Okay, I'm gonna follow with this one. This one guys, I got this present around February, but there is a perfume inside. I love even the bag. I'm gonna like keep it for future. I love the bag. So I got this perfume. It's a Tropical Paradise by Rage. I love it. Let's see what is inside. So we have this inside. This is how the perfume is packaged. We have this box that is protecting the perfume, and then we have the perfume. So this is the perfume. Yes, even the shape of the bottle is so nice. Let's smell it. Oh wow guys, it smells so good and unique. It smells nice. and so unique. It's paradise, really paradise. You paradise your crop. Yeah, that's what we have in this bag. So okay, let's follow. So this one I bought from Avon. I don't know if you can see. I bought this one from Avon. Then we also have this packaging. So there's a perfume inside. Then we also have this box that's protecting the perfume. Then here's the, okay, this one is the body mist. It's not a perfume. So yeah, here's the body mist. It also smells like a perfume. It's a pure ocean. A pure ocean. As you see, it's a pure ocean. It also smells good. Then I have this one, guys. I'm so excited about this. I bought this from Clicks. It was on sale. Then I was attracted by the bag, the color of the bag. Yeah, then I love it so much. So I love the bag so much, guys. Then what we have inside the bag, we have this tooth spray. So this is how they packaged the tooth spray. So this one are just the protectors of the perfume. Then we're gonna start with this one. This one we have a perfume body spray. Then it's a sweet fleet, as you see. Yeah. It smells so sweet also. Let me put it. It smells sweet. Okay, we also have this one, guys, a body mist. Let me show you. It's Sugar Crush body mist. This also smells. I think, guys, now my unplugged, so I can't smell anything now, but it smells so good. Guys, I think unplugged my color now, I'm smell, but it also smells good. It also smells good. I don't wanna lie. Yes. So I'm no longer, or it was on sale, guys. I won't tell you how much is it, because I also bought it around, I think, February, and it was on sale, so I'm no longer sure how much. The last one is this one. These are the sneakers. So this one is a present. Let me show just the sneakers, guys. So let me show you the sneaker. So this is the sneaker, guys. I love the color. I love everything about this sneaker, especially the color. Yeah, that's all, guys, that I wanted to share with you. I hope you enjoy the unboxing part. So we're gonna continue with the video, and hope, guys, you're gonna enjoy the video. Please don't forget, guys, to subscribe if you didn't subscribe. If, guys, I'm not coming back again, I love you all, guys. Stay blessed. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.
Okay, guys, welcome back again. So now we are at the gate at Ndalo Hotel. So it's laba siyafika vele. So we do the registration part and everything. Then now we are getting in to check in, because today there's nothing much that we're going to do. The only thing that we're gonna do is to check in then and relax, because we're gonna start working tomorrow. So let's go and check in and go to our rooms. So this is my room 205. So let us do a room tour quickly. So this is the room. As you see, guys, Ndalo Hotel has 2 double beds in all the rooms. So this is the room. Then behind the door we have a mirror. Then when you enter the door, there is a seat. This seat is for beds. Then we have these double beds. On the other side we have a coffee station. So we have the kettle, cup, sugar, and the glass. Then the other stuff is my lunch. Then on top of it we have the TV. Then here we have a micro oven, and then we also have an empty fridge. Yes, that's all we have in the coffee station. Then this is the bin. Then on this side we have a wardrobe. As you see, this is our wardrobe. Let's check inside the wardrobe what we have. We have hangers, extra blankets. Then those are my stuff, those are my bags and my shoes. That's all that we have in the wardrobe. So we also have this sofa. On top of it is my dress. Then I'm gonna wear it after taking a shower. So this is the bed, as you see. Then in the middle of the bed there is a side table with a lamp. Then we have, okay, let's go to the bathroom. We'll come to the other side. Then we are going to the bathroom now. This is the bathroom. As you see, we have this bath. Then we also have a shower. So you choose if you want the bath or you have a shower. Then on this side we have a toilet. This is the toilet with a bin, then a toilet paper. That's all that we have in the toilet. Then so yeah, that's all that we have. Okay, as you see, we have also a sink, a mirror. Then we also have a soap, we have a shower cap, sanitary bags, we have shampoo, we have conditioner, and then we also have a lotion. So this is the bath. We also have tissues. Then now we are going to the working station. This is the working station. So we have a table and a chair, a mirror, we have a side lamp, we have a hair dryer. That's what we have. On top of it we have an aircon. Then we have this window here. Yeah guys, that's all that we have in this room. So this is the room, as you see. Okay guys, so welcome back. I'm done taking a shower now. Yo guys, it's very hot. It's very hot. Yeah, now it's 10 to 5, but yeah, I'm done taking my shower. It's very hot. Even now clearly pants wear aircon because it's very hot. So yeah guys, I'm gonna check my emails when I'm done checking my emails. So okay, I'm gonna take my lunch. Yeah, I know I didn't eat my lunch, so this is my lunch. It's a Big Mac. I don't know if a Big Mac guys say abangaka. Help me guys, this is the Big Mac. It's very dry. And then I'm gonna also drink my Fanta orange guys. Yeah, I'm gonna take just 1 hour nap. Then after that I'm gonna
wake up and dress. I think 6, yes, around 6. I'm gonna wake up and dress and go outside to meet other people, you know. Then I'm also going for dinner. Yeah guys, that's all I'm going to do for tonight. Yeah, so let me check my email and eat. I will see you later guys. Sharp.